So hey, what's up you guys, it's Tiana. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So I decided fall is like my month. It's like I love fall. It's my time of the year, it's my birthday, everything. So fall is my favorite time of the year. So I decided I wanted to do like this simple like fall look, and I actually use, which I feel bad, but I bought the Jackie Aina palette when it came out, and I've never used it. So this is my first time actually using it. Yeah, I have a problem. So I brought this palette. I use this palette. The two shades that I use is just Credit, Ginger, and Zam. Those are the colors I put on my eyes with this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I used Credit first, and I packed that onto my lid. As you can see, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I packed it onto my lid and did circular motions and blended that out, and then I took Ginger right above that darker shade and blended it out. I've tried, this is my first time like trying this. I usually like lighter than darker, but it's actually easier doing like the darker shade first and then putting the lighter shade above it. And then after that, I cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, and then I added the color Zam right on top of that as shimmer shades, and then I added like setting spray just to make the shimmer shade pop a little bit more. And next I took my favorite foundation, which is NARS Longwear. I haven't used this foundation in a while. I know it looks like kind of crazy when I put it on, like what the heck, but I do fix it in the end. But yeah, this used to be like my staple. I always used to wear this foundation. Next, I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in Deep Tan. This is like a bomb concealer. I actually like this. So, I don't know if I'm going to be going back to my tried and true, which is ColourPop. And then I'm going to blend this out. Sorry if I'm looking. I saw some at my window and I was like, what the heck? And don't mind me. So, I'm going to blend this out with the e.l.f. Sponge. Don't sleep on them. Them sponges are bomb and they're cheap. I feel like they're better than Real Techniques, because Real Techniques is a little hard. Now I know what people are talking about. So Real Techniques sponges are hard. So yeah, definitely like a good dupe for like Beauty Blender and things like that. And then next I'm going to take the Juvias Place foundation stick in Namibia. I was so shocked it broke on me because I haven't had this foundation stick that long. But good thing it didn't fall on the floor because it would have been a goner. And I'm not about to put it back together. So I tried this new trick. In the next clip you're going to see it. Like I tried this new trick that I learned from Makeup by Spencer. So basically you would blend out everything with one sponge. So foundation, concealer, and contour. I kind of like it. It makes everything look seamless. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna keep trying it and perfecting it. I kind of like this technique. And then I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany, and then just to set my contour in place and give me more like a bronzy look. To set my concealer and everything in place, I used the 𝙼𝚘𝚗𝚎𝚎 Spun setting powder, which I'm starting to really like. At first I wasn't really into it because I was like, it's white, it's going to give me flashback, but blah blah blah. But I actually really like this setting powder. So yeah. And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Maxi blush in 005. This is like my favorite blush. Comment down below if you know like any other blush that you like. And then I took a different setting spray, which is the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I really love this setting spray. I'm using it in a couple of my looks here lately that you're going to see coming up. And then I used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And then comment down below pumpkin spice, just so I know how far you got in the video. For lashes, I used cotton candy lashes in the style Butterfly. These are I like these. I love these lashes. These are so cute. Check her out. She is having a 50% off sale. And then for lip liner, I used NYX Chestnut Lip Liner in Dose of Colors, Knock on Wood, which I always use. Yes, a lip combo video is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.